Happy New Year, guys! This year brings a lot of good things, especially to the laptop lovers out there. Here is an amazing masterpiece that will shock you. Yes, the brand new Acer Aspire 5. A slim laptop, 15.6 inches and has a full HD IPS display. Let's have a look at some of the amazing features of this laptop. Launch your creativity. Powerful and portable. The Aspire 5 laptop delivers on every aspect of everyday computing. Housing the AMD Ryzen 33200U mobile processor, this Aspire 5 can tackle any job no matter how complex. Creativity soars to new heights with sharp, crisp visuals showcased on the 15.6 Full HD IPS screen. While the thin bezel provides you more space to work with wherever inspiration strikes. It's the perfect companion to take with you wherever you go. Maximized visuals. The narrow bezel design offers more real estate for amazing images. Crisp, true-to-life colors come alive on a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with Acer Color Intelligence. Keep your eyes free from strain and watch or work for long sessions using Acer BlueLightShield. Exceptional performance. The Aspire 5 delivers desktop-class performance with the AMD Ryzen 33200U mobile processor. With Radeon Vega 3 graphics enabling powerful performance and amazing battery life. Premium looks and mobility. Travel with ease and look great doing it with the Aspire 5 thin, light design and aluminum top cover. The power of sound. Turn up the music with Acer True Harmony, bringing you deeper bass and more volume through its innovative speaker design. Extensive connectivity. Accomplish more with a range of ports, including HDMI, USB 3.1 and USB 2.0. Strengthen your wireless signal wherever you go using 2x2 802.11 AC. Backlit keyboard. Work comfortably in any environment with the convenience of a backlit keyboard. Introducing Windows 10 in S mode, performance that lasts. Complete confidence on the web. Surf worry-free from site to site with Microsoft Edge, knowing that advanced security features are built right in. Peak performance that lasts. Designed for superior performance that lasts. Startups are quick and built to stay that way. The power of apps. Browse the Microsoft Store for thousands of apps, and if you don't find what you want, you can easily switch out of S mode and search the web. Wi-Fi. Choice and flexibility. Save your files to your favorite cloud, like OneDrive or Dropbox, and access them from any device you choose. Click on the Amazon link in the description to place your order. The laptop is currently discounted. Hurry while stock remains. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos on the same. Click the link on the description on how to place your order. Order now. Cheers!